Hi, I am Vishrut Goyani and I have been working at SUSEM for more than 2 years. And it has been a great journey of learning new things, exploring new possibilities, and having fun working with tech enthusiasts. Whenever you are appreciated for your efforts, it makes you give more and live up to your ethics. And I have never felt short of the compliments I get from the seniors or from the boss himself. I'm so happy and thankful for having such wonderful personalities around me. Thank you, Susam, for making our workplace beautiful and exciting. And congratulations for your 3rd-year anniversary.
Hello everyone, this is Udit Sharma. So as we all gather here to celebrate our company's 3rd annual anniversary, I would like to take this moment to showcase my gratitude for the opportunity that I have got in such an amazing company to work as a digital marketer. I still remember the first day when I stepped in this office for the very first time. I was feeling very anxious and nervous, but I was wrong because throughout my journey, I have been nurtured, supported, and given the chance to grow both personally and professionally. The warm and inclusive working environment, coupled with the guidance of my mentors, has made this experience truly exceptional. I am really honored to be part of such an amazing team and grateful for all the knowledge that I have gained here throughout this journey. Thank you.
હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આઈ એમ મયુર સુખડિયા, વર્કિંગ એઝ અ ગ્રાફિક ડિઝાઇનર એટ સુસેમ ઇન્ફોટેક. મારે 2 વર્ષનું વર્ક એક્સપિરિયન્સ છે. સુસેમ ઇન્ફોટેકના વર્ક એન્વાયરમેન્ટ વિશે વાત કરું તો અહીંયાનું વર્ક એન્વાયરમેન્ટ બહુ જ સારું છે. અહીંયા મેં મારી સ્કિલને ઘણી એક્સપ્લોર કરી છે. ટાઈમ લિમિટની અંદર બહુ જ સારી રીતે પરફેક્શન આપી શકું એટલી મારી સ્કિલ મેં શાર્પ કરી છે. ઘણું બધું શીખું છું અને ઘણું બધું કલીગ પાસેથી નવું શીખવા મળે છે. આ પ્રકારના વર્કિંગ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ માટે કંપનીનું નામ સુસમ ઇન્ફોટેક એ એકદમ સાર્થક છે. સો આઈ એમ થેન્કફુલ ટુ સુસમ ઇન્ફોટેક ગિવિંગ મી એન ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી ફોર exploring my knowledge. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Karthik Makwana, Quality Assurance Engineer or let's say Hand Open Developer. First of all, many congratulations to SUSEM Infotech team for their 3rd anniversary and many more to come. And I would like to congratulate SUSEM Infotech team members as well for being in this incredible journey and many more to go. Talking about SUSEM Infotech team, I must say that I love work environment here. I'm working here since past 2 years and it's been great to work in such an organization where everyone is treated same. I also like the way how senior helps any new joining to easily mix up with the work environment. So let's look forward to another amazing year with a strong professional relationship even further and to take this company to reach greater heights. So cheers for SUSEM Infotech, hip hip hooray and thank you.
Hi, I am Khushbu Etania. I am working in SUSEM Infotech for last 3 years. I am proud to be a part of this company. I am grateful for support and guidance that I get from here. It's a second home for me. Happy anniversary, SUSEM. Thank you.
Hey, how's you? Yes, I am Susamp here. Susamp Infotech is not only organization, it is one family. Just like हम अपने फैमिली में हर एक के पर्सनल ग्रोथ पे ध्यान देते हैं, वैसे सुसम इन्फोटेक में हर एक के करियर ग्रोथ पे ध्यान दिया जाता है. Everyone has equal opportunities in Susam. That's why I feel proud to be a part of Susam TM. Happy anniversary, Susam, and thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Aman Kataria, a digital marketing executive at Susam Infotech. On this joyous occasion of celebrating our 3rd year anniversary, I am privileged to share my experience in this remarkable organization. Over the past time, I have witnessed the exceptional growth and success of Susam Infotech with innovative strategies and dedicated effort. It's a place where collaboration thrives, creativity flourishes, and each team member's dedication is valued. Together, as we commemorate our 3rd year of existence, we celebrate our 3rd year anniversary of Susam Infotech filled with growth, innovation, and collective success. Congratulations to Susam Infotech for its 3rd year of existence and its 3rd year anniversary. Thank you.